info here.
Okay, 27 minutes ago. Shall I continue? Okay. Okay, with the help of this Navy-based classification, guys, we are going to calculate the conditional property. Here, xi is a test record and yi is a class variable. Guys. Okay, this is the formula for Navy-based classifier. That is the posterior probability of y given x equal to probability of y. Okay, the next one, for each and every conditional probability we have to multiply here. Okay, here xi is a test record list. For each and every test record we have to calculate this posterior probability, that is divided by probability of x. This is prior probability. This equation you have to remember, guys. Okay, here normally, guys, the probability values are in between 0 and 1. Okay, with the help of this Navy-based classifier, okay, we can work it for the small set of training set as well as large set of training sets. Okay, here is the test record, training record, having the attributes like age, income, student, credit card rating, bicycle rating. First of all, guys, is it visible? Sharp? Is it fine?
Sir.
Okay, now, bro?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sharp. Okay, these are the attributes, guys: age, income, student, credit card rating, bicycle, right? Coming to the age attribute, having the values like youth, middle age, senior. Like for income attribute, having the values like high, medium, and low income groups. The next one, he is student or not. Yes means he is student, no means he is not a student. And credit card rating fair or excellent. Okay, next finally, buys a computer or not. Yes means he is able to buy a computer for the particular data. No means for particular this tuple is unable to buy a computer. This is the training data, guys. Okay. From this one, we have to predict some one attribute. What is the attribute? Let us see. Okay. Right. Okay. Here we have to predict a class label for a tuple using a Bayesian classification. Okay, that is fine. Okay. The data tuples are described by the attributes age, income, student, and credit card rating. Okay, fine. Okay, next here the class label is S or no. Okay, that is buying a computer equal to S or no. Having the two classes, one is C1 corresponding to the buying a computer equal to S and C2 corresponding to buying a computer equal to no. Here, the class attribute value, class label value is buying a computer. Okay, that is the final one we have to predict, guys. Okay, here two class labels are there. That is buying a computer equal to S. That is the probability we have to calculate, and as well as we have to calculate a buying a computer equal to no. Also, we have to calculate. This is the class label, right? Okay, this is the test record, guys. X equal to age equal to youth, and income equal to medium, and student equal to S, and credit card rating equal to 5. This is the new test attribute, guys. For this record, we have to find out whether he is able to buy a computer or not. If you observe here, guys, they have not given buying a computer related information. We have to predict with the help of naive Bayesian classification. Okay, what is the test record here, guys? Age equal to youth, income equal to medium, student equal to S, and rate rating equal to 5. Okay, they haven't given the buying a computer related information. Okay, with the help of this naive Bayesian classification, we have to predict that one. Okay, that is the probability of buying a computer. Okay, for given X. Likewise, we have to calculate the probability of buying a computer equal to no for a given X. Okay, right? Probability of Xi given Ci into probability of Ca. Here Ca, if you observe what is meant by Ca means related to the buying a computer equal to yes or no, guys. Ca means one means it's related to buying a computer. Okay, no mean two means I equal to two means that is buying a computer equal to no. Okay, these two probabilities we have to calculate. Why we have to calculate the two probabilities means, okay, which one is having the highest probability, that we are going to take as a consideration, guys. Okay, first we have to calculate a probability of X given Ca equal to 1 and probability of Ca. Both we have to calculate, and we have to multiply these two things. Okay, that will use the probability of given for X given uh, buying a computer equal to S. Likewise, we have to calculate the probability of X for given buying a computer equal to no also. We have to calculate both. We have to compare which one is having the highest value, that we are going to taking as a constant. Okay, before that one, first we are going to calculate the prior probabilities, that is probability of buying computer equal to X as well as probability of buying a computer equal to no also we have to calculate. Okay, here if you observe here, guys, overall how many tuples are there? 14 tuples will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 records are there. In this, how many S's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 S's will be there. How many no's will be there? 1 2 3 4 5 no's will be there. That is the probability of buying a computer equal to S. Now we can easily calculate this. Probability of buying a computer equal to S means overall how many tuples will be there? 14 tuples will be there. On that, how many S's are there? 9 S's are there. Likewise, the probability of buying a computer equal to no also we have to calculate this. That is 5 by 14. Overall, 14 tuples are there in that buying a computer equal to no 5. These are the first probabilities that we have calculated here, guys. Probability of Ci equal C1 we have calculated. This is the C1, and probability of C2 also we have calculated. That is this value. C2 related to the buying a computer equal to no. C1 is related to buying a computer equal to S, guys. Okay. So this is the test record, guys. For this one, we have to calculate for the particular this type of data, that is, okay, we have to calculate the probability of computer buying users, as well as for this one we have to calculate probability of buying equal to no. Also, we have to. Okay. Okay. First, we have calculated this one. That is this part we have calculated, guys. Probability of CA we have calculated. These are the two things. Okay, we have to calculate this one. Okay, for given X test record, we have to calculate the prior probabilities, which are posterior probability. Probability of X given CA. CA equal to 1 means related to S, and CA equal to 2 means that's related to no X. Okay. So first we will calculate the probability of CA equal to S. We will calculate, that is X given CA equal C1. Likewise, we have to calculate the probability of X given C2 also we have to give. Here X means this one. That is age equal to youth, income equal to medium, student equal to S, and credit card rating equal to for this given data we have to calculate the posterior probability, that is probability of x given C1 as well as probability of x given C2. Here C1 means buying computer equal to yes, and C2 means buying computer equal to no. అంతేనే కదా మనం డిసైడ్ చేసుకుంది. C1 corresponding to the class buying a computer equal to yes, C2 is corresponding to the class buying a computer equal to no, guys. Okay, clear? But only first we have calculated this part, that is C1, C2 we have calculated, we have to calculate this one, and finally we have to multiply the overall, that is navigation classification. Okay, here first we are going to take related to the buying a computer equal to s, related to the age equal to youth, that is the input data, right? For age equal to youth, okay, CA value I am going to calculate, that is CA1 means that is buying a computer equal to s, means buying a computer s వచ్చినప్పుడు the age youth అనేది for this given data we have to calculate, that is probability of age equal to youth given by say computer equal to s. Okay, from the by say computer equal to s launchi we have to calculate the age equal to youth related information. For that we have to observe the input data, guys. Okay, okay, means here s వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంత మందికి youth వచ్చిందో that is the value we have to calculate. Okay, here if you observe here, guys, for all s's we will have the denominator as 9, guys. For all the s's related to the 2, why? Because how many s's are there in the tuple? 9 s's will be there, that is why. Okay, these all the 4 values we will have the denominator as 9. Coming to the no, guys, okay, we will have the denominator as 5. Why? Because okay, buying a computer equal to no, how many member is there in the given triple? Okay, we have 5 values, that is why. Okay, the denominator value is always 5 for the no, guys. 5 for the no. Okay, let us observe once again here how many s's are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, for ss related we will have the 9 as the denominator. For no's, how many? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, for the no related thing we have the denominator as 5. Okay, understand this one? Now we have to calculate each and every one. First, for age equal to youth we have to calculate like income, what is the tuple we have, the value they have given. Okay, income equal to medium, for that one we have to calculate the posterior probability. Okay, and like for student also we have to calculate, yes, for that one also we have to calculate the posterior probability, and credit card rating equal to fair also we have to calculate the probability. We have to calculate the posterior probability. Okay, right? Let us go through the input data once again, and we will write the one thing we have to know is for buying computer equal to yes, denominator will be 9. Why? Because overall 9 tuples are there for buying computer equal to yes. Likewise, buying a computer equal to no, how many tuples are there? Particularly buying computer equal to no, we have the 9. That is always denominator is 5 for the no. Yes, we have the denominator as 9, guys. Let us check the first part, guys. Okay, here. Okay, probability of age equal to for given by say computer equal to s. Okay, by say computer equal to s అని వచ్చినప్పుడు how many youth are there? Okay, that one we have to write it down in the, okay, here this part. Okay, let us check how many s's are there, how many youth are there for buying computer equal to s. Okay, here for this s, okay, youth ఉందా ఇక్కడ? లేదు. No, ఇక్కడ no. Here for this s, youth కాదు. Okay, then here no. Observe here, guys, for this particular record computer buying equal to s. Okay, one youth will be there, increment the count, no, 1. Okay, for this yes, senior కాదు, yes, youth కాబట్టి ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Means overall 2 youth will be there for given a computer buying equal to s. Okay, buying a computer equal to s అని వచ్చినప్పుడు youth ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారండి? That is the posterior probability, guys. Okay, that is probability of age equal to youth for a given computer equal to s, that is 2 by 9, guys. The probability value is we got it here. Likewise, the income equal to medium buying a computer equal to s. Okay, this one you have to tell it, guys. Okay, for a given buying a computer equal to s వచ్చినప్పుడు income అనేది మీడియం ఎంతమందికి ఉందో చెక్ చేయండి. మీరే చెప్పాలి, ఇక్కడ మీడియం ఎంతమంది ఉంది ఎస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్పండి అండి. ఇక్కడ ఎస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంతమందికి మీడియం ఉందో నాకు చెప్పాలి. గైస్ రెస్పాండ్. Come on, simple thing. ఇక్కడ S వచ్చినప్పుడు how many mediums will be there? We have to write it down, guys. ఎంతమంది ఎంత వచ్చిందో చెప్పాలండి. Come on, guys, say it. Okay. ఇక్కడ S వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఫేర్ ఎంత ఉందో కౌంట్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ 6 S fair 1 incremented, S fair 2 incremented, S fair 3 incremented, S excellent కాబట్టి తీసుకోము. అలాగే S fair కాబట్టి 4, S fair కాబట్టి 5, S fair కాబట్టి 6. Overall 6 out of how many S's are there here?
9.
9. Very good. Means 6 by 9 is the posterior probability for credit card rating equal to fair given by say computer equal to S. Okay. Now we have calculated related to the S, guys. Okay. Now we have calculated related to S. Okay. Alage for buying a computer equal to no also we have to calculate. Why? Because C1 కు సంబంధించి buying a computer equal to S we have calculated. Likewise we have to calculate for buying a computer equal to no కూడా మనం given tuple కి calculate చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. For suppose buying a computer equal to no అనేది out of 5, denominator will be 5. Why? Because out of 14 records buying a computer equal to no how many member? 5 is the member. 5 is the member. Okay. Okay. For a given buying a computer equal to no how many age equal to youth are there? Let us check in the input data, guys. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంతకు ముందు వరకు S చెక్ చేసాం కదా. No, we have to check it for the C2. The C2 is belong to buying a computer equal to no. For this one, how many youth will be there? Let us check. Okay. Here no youth 1 incremented, no youth 2 incremented, no senior కాబట్టి అవసరం లేదు, no youth కాబట్టి incremented 3. Okay. Now finally senior. Okay. 3 out of 5. Okay. That is the probability for okay 3 out of 5, guys. Okay. Age equal to youth given the buying a computer equal to no related information is 3 out of 5, guys. Clear? Right? Okay. Next, let us calculate for this one, guys. That is a buying computer equal to no given for this one. Okay. Income equal to medium we have to calculate, guys. Okay. Pooja, Sushma already ఉన్నారా? వచ్చారండి శ్యామ్ క్లాస్ కార్డు చూడండి ఒకసారి నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయా? ఉన్నారా శ్యాము? అండ్ నెంబర్ తెలుసా? ఇంద్ర ఫోల్డెడ్ ఎప్పుడు రాడు. ఎప్పుడు అడిగినా సార్ ఫోల్డెడ్ లేడు. ఇప్పుడు రెస్పాండ్ అనేది ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో ఎప్పుడో ఇప్పుడు దగ్గర 27 క్లాసులు అవుతుంటే ఫస్ట్ 2 క్లాసులు 3 క్లాసులు రెస్పాండ్ అయ్యారు. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు శ్యామ్. సార్ నన్ను కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వమని చెప్పి ఫోల్డెడ్ శ్యాము.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. వాట్ అబౌట్ దిస్ పూజ, సుష్మా, ప్రవల్లిక, మాధురి చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. వాట్ అబౌట్ దెమ్?
సుష్మా కూడా
జాయిన్ అయిందా సుష్మా?
లేదు సార్,
జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదు సుష్మా. ప్రవల్లిక అనే అమ్మాయి ఒకరు ఉన్నారు, మాధురి ఉన్నారు, సాంస్క్రిట్ మేడం గారు ఉన్నారా అమ్మా? 54 అనుకుంటా సాంస్క్రిట్ మేడం నెంబర్. ఎస్ షీ ఇస్ దేర్. ఎందుకని రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్? వీళ్ళందరినీ కూడా నాకు చెప్పండి. క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒకసారి కాల్ చేయమనండి. 9:20 అవుతుంది కదా. ఓకే రైట్ గైస్. ఓకే ఫర్ నో బయింగ్ కంప్యూటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు నో యూత్ అనేది వీ హ్యావ్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ దట్ ఈస్ 3/5. ఫర్ పర్టికులర్ ఫర్ బయింగ్ కంప్యూటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు నో గివెన్ డేటా ఓకే income equal to medium also we have to calculate it. Okay, for a buying equal to computer equal to no, for this one we have to calculate income equal to medium value also we have to calculate. Okay, income equal to medium. Okay, here is the income equal to medium for given no. Okay, no high ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం కౌంట్ చేయము. అలాగే no దగ్గర low ఉంది కౌంట్ చేయము. no కి medium 1 count, అలాగే no కి medium another count, means 2 count. 2/5. Overall how many no's will be there for the class label 2? No 5, means 2/5 is the value for income equal to medium given computer equal to by a computer equal to no. For that one student is equal to yes or given by a computer equal to no కూడా calculate చేద్దాం. Okay, student equal to no for, okay, for this no student assign మనం కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి రెండు కాదు. Okay, here no, but the student is yes, count is incremented. No, no. Okay, finally 1 by 5 is the value, guys. What is the value? 1 by 5. Likewise for credit card rating equal to 5, by say computer equal to no, that is 2 by 5. Okay, now we have calculated the posterior probabilities, and we have already previously calculated a peer probability, that is the probability of by say computer equal to yes and probability of by say computer equal to no. Okay, these values will be useful, guys. Okay, now I'm going to calculate x is the test record probability of x given by say computer equal to s, that is the age equal to youth by say computer equal to s, income equal to medium by say computer. We have to multiply all s related information. Okay, right? For this input data, we have to calculate the probability, right? Okay, what is the formula here, guys? Here, observe here, we have to multiply all the posterior probabilities from 1 to d. All the attributes we have to calculate the posterior probability except the class attribute, right? We have to multiply all the s's. We have got the value as 0.44. Okay, and no also we have to calculate. For that we have to probability of x given by a computer equal to no, we have calculated. Finally we have to calculate the s related probability, posterior probability, and no related posterior prior probabilities. Then we will get the values as this one. Okay, by say computer probability of x given by say computer equal to s, that is multiplied with the prior probability, that is the probability of by say computer equal, that is the actual value, right? Okay, we have multiplied, what the value we got is 0.028. Likewise for the no also we have calculated, that is the probability of x given by say computer equal to no, and probability of by say computer equal to no also we have to multiply. What is the value we got is 0.07. For this one, what is the value we got is 0.028, guys. 0.028. Okay, here which one is the maximum value, guys? Obviously s related one is the maximum value. Okay, s related one is the maximum. Okay, here the probabilities are in between 0 and 1, guys. Okay, right? Here the what is the maximum value in this for buying computer related to yes, that what is the value we got is 0.028. Buying computer related to no, what is the probability we have got, that is 0.027. 0.027. Okay, in this one which one is the maximum value, guys? Obviously that is related to yes. Okay, with the help of this Navy Bayesian classifier, we are going to predict buying a computer equal to s for a given tuple x. For a given tuple x, okay, we have predicted as, okay, for this given data. What is the given data, guys? Okay, here is the given data. What is the prediction we got it for a given data, that is age equal to youth and income equal to medium, student equal to yes, and credit card rating equal to fair related information. We are with the help of Navy based classification. Okay, we have predicted that for this particularly this data he is able to buy a computer. He is able to buy a computer. Why? Because okay, the probability related to that s is having the maximum value compared with the no, guys. S is having the maximum value compared with the no. Understand, guys? Okay, write down these values, guys. Okay, helpful for you. Very important question. Maximum times they have asked this question, guys. Maximum times they have asked this question. Sometimes they have asked Navy base in class pair. Okay, and they have asked, sometimes they have asked the problem also. Okay, you have to take the input data and you have to do it, guys, right? They have sometimes they have asked the algorithm. There is no algorithm, guys. You have to explain the overall process. And sometimes they ask Bayes theorem also. Okay, Bayes theorem also they have asked to explain what is the process related to the classification also. Sometimes they have explained, and sometimes they have explained. Okay, compare decision tree with the Navy Bayesian classification. Pros and cons related to the this one also they asked. Understand, guys? Okay. And Bayes error rate, let us discuss here, guys. Okay, Bayesian classification error rate. Okay, Bayesian classification method allows us to determine the ideal decision boundary for the classification task, guys. Okay, with the help of this Bayesian classification, what we are going to do is we are going to classify it, and with the help of that classification, we are going to predict the unknown class records, guys. Here they have taken the two input data, that is alligator related information error rate as well as crocodile related error information, guys. Okay, in the x-axis we have taken the length, and with the y-axis we have taken the probabilities, that is the posterior probability we have taken, that value is in between 0 and 1. Okay, this is the alligator information, and this is the crocodile information related error rate, guys. Okay. Okay, here with the help of this probabilistic relation graph, we are going to represent with the help of DAG, guys, directed acyclic graph. With the help of this one, we are going to represent the relationship between the attributes, guys. Okay, here A is a predecessor and C is a descendant. Predecessor and descendant. Okay, attribute relationship are expressed with the help of graphs, guys. Okay, in the directed acyclic graph. Okay, finally, how you are going to get the error rate related to the classification? That is the sum of the areas under the posterior probability curves for the crocodiles and alligators. Okay, sum we will get the overall error rate, guys. The alligator related error rate and the crocodile related error rate. If you combine that one, we are going to get the Bayesian error rate, guys. Okay, why? Because okay, in the diagram we will have this both alligator related information, crocodile related information, error rate related to alligator, error rate related to crocodile, we have represented in the diagram. Okay, how we are going to calculate the Bayesian error rate means how we are going to calculate the error rate means the sum of the both the things, that is crocodile related error rate as well as alligator related error rate. If you combine that one, we are going to get the Bayesian related error rate, guys. Okay, this is the Bayesian error rate related information. Okay, write down these formulas, because this diagram we have to write it down, and finally we have to write it down this formula also for calculating the Bayesian error. When we have taken the posterior probability, that is probability of crocodile given x, then likewise probability of alligator given x. Okay, in this session what we have explained, guys, in this session we have explained related to the how we are going to calculate the probability for the Navy Bayesian classification, and the next one is we have discussed related to the Bayesian error rate. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this session, guys. Okay, any problems related to understanding, you can ask me anytime, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, I'm going to end this session.